last video of the year. Today is Sunday the 22nd of December. This is probably going to be the last video of this year. We are at North Lake Lodges. That's the lodge we had last time we stayed here, just over there. We've come back again and we've got the smaller lodge just as a little treat before Christmas. We're just pulling out now and I think we're going to go and do the Buttermere circular walk, which is Buttermere obviously. So join us as we head down to that and then I'll show you around this lodge we're in later on. Let's go! Right, we've just stopped at the car park for Buttermere and it is a no-go. The whole machine's taped off. So obviously it says you can park, but if you don't have a ticket, they'll still ticket you. So we're not going to do that. We have just stopped now at Honeston Pass.
Can't even take a picture, Dan. It's the wind is that strong.
So we're going to get out and have a look. We've just drove the road up. We've stopped at the Honeston Cafe here. You see the little slate people over there. We're just up here. I'll get out the car now and I'll show you what it's like. Have a look. Look, you can't even see the road. But that is what we've just driven up. It doesn't look much on the camera, but believe me, that gradient is like 20%. But we're just here at the Honeston Sky High Cafe. Do you ever walk in and get a cuppa? Yeah. Let's have a little walk in, get a coffee for the drive. Oh, the wind. Bloody insane. Look at these guys. The weather's took a turn. Little train here. It's free parking for customers. This is England's last working slave mine. Wow. Let's go in. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. You fill your own treasure bag. £6. Wow. Little look in the shop here. Oh, look at him. Look at the shop. Look at these. Aura quartz. Just having a little look around the shop.
Look at all that lovely stuff.
We're back in the car now. We've just been in the cafe, got a little sausage roll and this little pizza slice here. How is it?
Katie, want some?
And then we've got this little sausage roll, but I'm going to get out the car to eat that because that is crumb central. Right, we've just pulled into Keswick now. We're at Booths. Quick little look around, have a look in the charity shops down in Keswick. Right, not much in there today actually. Had a look in there in the Heart Foundation. Just heading back to Booths now. Look at this guy. Right, we've just got back to the lodge. We picked the Chinese up from Full House, which is in Cockermouth. I'll show you around. Obviously it's a bit of a mess because we've lived in it for the last 2 days, but have a look around now. So when you come in the door, you've got the living room here. This is it here. TV on the wall, Sonos soundbar, speakers up there. You might be able to see that bowl out there. We've been feeding the little ducks. In fact, if we open the door, they'll probably come waddling over. We've been feeding them the veg. Apologies for the flashing Christmas lights. We'll see if they come over. We've got the log burner. Going to get a fire going in a minute with the wood that we brought. A little table in the middle here. I'll show you the Chinese we've got. Chips, chicken fried rice and a chicken Szechuan. Pam's just making a little drink now. Got the setup here, show you out here as well, hot tub. Hot tub's just there. Again, Christmas lights flashing. Everything's built in appliances, microwave there. Got a dishwasher over here. Show you in the bedroom that we haven't been using. So lovely double bed here. View out the window. Well, 2 single beds I should say. TV on the wall. Our room's a little bit of a mess. Shower in there. The front door with some storage out here. Our ensuite bathroom. And our bed in here. TV on the wall. Beautiful little lodge. Now obviously this isn't as big as the other lodge, but again it's just me and Pam, this is all we need. So beautiful little park, absolutely fantastic, great location. Now we're going to sit down, eat the Chinese, and I'll come back when I'm building the fire. Just watching the last of the NFL now, just enjoying it, up to have a look around. We've got our little jetty over there. Solo on a kid's ride. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of a bit scary now.